Hello friends! Have you ever tried to cancel cruise control but your car didn't respond? Or maybe your check engine light just turned on for no reason? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0566, it means there's a problem with the cruise control cancel signal. This can cause cruise control to stay on, fail to deactivate, or even lead to unsafe driving conditions. In this video, I'll explain what P0566 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0566 code stands for Cruise Control Cancel Signal Malfunction. Your car's cruise control system needs a working cancel signal to turn off safely when you hit the brakes, clutch, or cancel button. When the PCM, Powertrain Control Module, doesn't detect the correct signal, it triggers code P0566. This can lead to cruise control staying engaged, not turning off properly, or failing to activate at all. Common symptoms of P0566. Cruise control not canceling when pressing the cancel button. Check engine light (CL) is on, cruise control stays engaged even after braking or clutching, cruise control not turning on at all. Unresponsive cruise control buttons. If you're facing these problems, let's locate the issue. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0566, check these key components. Cruise control cancel switch, on steering wheel. Location, on the steering wheel, near the other cruise control buttons. Brake pedal. Position sensor, BPP sensor. Location, near the brake pedal, mounted on the brake pedal arm. Clutch pedal position sensor, for manual cars. Location, near the clutch pedal, detecting when the clutch is pressed. Clock spring, steering column wiring for cruise control. Location, inside the steering column, behind the steering wheel. PCM, Powertrain Control Module. Location, usually in the engine bay or under the dashboard, processing cruise control signals. Wiring and connectors. Location, running from the steering wheel buttons, brake sensor, and clutch sensor to the PCM. Tip: if your cruise control cancel button and horn both stop working, a faulty clock spring might be the cause. Common causes of P0566: faulty cruise control cancel button, worn out or broken button fails to send the cancel signal. Defective brake pedal position sensor. The PCM doesn't get the cancel signal when braking. Broken or worn clock spring interrupts communication between steering wheel buttons and the PCM. Faulty clutch, pedal position sensor, manual cars. Cruise control doesn't deactivate when pressing the clutch. Wiring issues or corrosion. Broken or loose wires stop the cancel signal from reaching the PCM. PCM ECU malfunction. A rare issue, but if the PCM can't process the signal, it may trigger P0566. How to fix P0566? Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm P0566 and check for related codes. Step 2. Test the cruise control cancel button with a multimeter. If it's unresponsive, replace it. Step 3. Inspect the brake pedal position sensor. If pressing the brake doesn't cancel cruise control, replace the sensor. Step 4. Check the clutch pedal position sensor, for manual cars. If cruise control doesn't cancel when clutching, replace it. Step 5. Inspect the clock spring if other steering wheel buttons are also failing. Step 6. Check wiring and connectors near the brake and clutch pedals for loose or corroded connections. Step 7. Reset the PCM and test the cruise control system after repairs. Ignoring P0566 can make your cruise control unsafe, leading to unexpected acceleration or braking failures. Fixing it early keeps your car running safely. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0378. High-resolution timing reference signal. A. Intermittent. P0379. High-resolution timing reference signal. B. Intermittent. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.